Still worried that the kitchen layout fails to match on-site operational demands and hotel service standards? SHINELONG hereby present the professional planning proposal for the Dominica Hotel Kitchen project. SHINELONG's immersive 3D kitchen design delivers a full 360 degrees panoramic preview of the entire kitchen space, accurately restoring a highly efficient, clean and hygienic working environment. Space efficiency optimization. SHINELONG maximized the utilization rate of the limited kitchen space, streamline staff service and operation routes, eliminate redundant working procedures, comprehensively boost meal preparation efficiency, and ultimately upgrade the overall guest dining experience. Full visualization and cost control before construction. The complete 3D visual solution realizes one-click full-space preview before construction, effectively avoiding repeated on-site adjustments, construction modifications and unnecessary additional budget costs. Bespoke customized kitchen solutions. SHINELONG provide tailored space layout planning and professional kitchen equipment configuration, customized according to the hotel's specific catering service modes, banquet scale, daily meal supply volume and food safety management requirements. SHINELONG is committed to building a safe, efficient, standardized and internationally compliant professional kitchen system for the Dominica Hotel. SHINELONG sincerely look forward to your further inquiries and in-depth project collaboration.